Alright, we'll do the billboard again. Heaps of billboards all the way around here. I'm about to book for a river cruise, not for tonight, but for tomorrow. Everyone waving. But yeah, but check out all these advertising signs, billboards. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just showing billboard advertising. Very good. Yeah, I come here the other day and I did a live stream, and this whole area was blocked off because of some famous Japanese singer. Yeah, that's the famous Running Man. I don't know what's so famous about it, but just up here, look at this kid has stolen mum's lipstick, and we can't get a good angle of that. I might have to come back here from the other side, I reckon. Yeah, what we'll do is we'll film the other side, perhaps not tonight, but I'm here for a while. Very good. Yeah, the wife was saying that this is very famous. I don't know why, but yeah, I don't know. But heaps of people are here. Very interesting. And we're under the bridge. No, I'm not going to sing a rendition of the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Yes. Yeah, we'll come back and film this side later. Like, we'll get a few angles here. But yeah. Whoops. Oh, no, you're okay. So I didn't want to cut in front of that guy while he was taking some pictures of his lady there. Yes, lots of beautiful ladies about. But yeah, it's a beautiful harbour. You know, like Amsterdam, you got, there were some spots in Taiwan very much like this, and like Amsterdam in Tainan. Absolutely beautiful at this time. It's after 6:30 now, so sun setting is upon us. Yeah, we'll come back from the other side and get this side. And there's a pink something, I don't know, I can't read that. Oh, there's some graffiti style, but we will come back and get some better vision of this from across the river. Octopus over there. There's a massive chef up there. Have a look at the size of that chef. Oi! Come and buy my food or I kill you, he'll say. Oi! Yeah, so looking to go on one of these river cruises. That one's the Indie Cruises. That one's 1,200. I think that's the one that the wife looked at. Yeah, because she said it's about 1,200, so quite cheap actually. It's is this for the boat?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Cheers. Yeah. So. The wife was looking at the cruises there, and I think they go for about 20 minutes. I can't see where she's gone, but you know, because there's heaps of Japanese here. And my wife is part Japanese. Yes. So, oh yeah, there she is. Alright, I'll make some more clips of this. I'll try and do some stuff at the similar time and at earlier times, but I'm going to go and talk to the wife because that's what you do. Yeah, so that boat one there I was looking at, they've got a red boat and it's a smaller boat, but this is the boat that I would like to go on, or any boat, but the red boat was a bit smaller. Yeah, I prefer a bit of space, but these boats are really cool, and you can see like the harbour, and it'd be good to film. I wouldn't stream on this. Yeah, I like to spend some time with my wife, and even though I would be making a video at that time, I still get to spend time with my wife. That's the Bus Wonder Cruise New Star. Yeah, I'll film this from the other side anyway. Yeah, the wife's just asking questions about booking a boat for tomorrow. But I believe you have to wait in line, and she's just trying to ask a question. But I think everyone here is waiting for a boat. Yeah. Absolutely mayhem at this time of the night. Sunset. Yeah, I'll try and come back at this time or another time and get footage on that side, and then we'll marry it up. But absolutely fantastic here, Osaka, Japan. Yeah, there's some music going on over there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls jumping and singing. They look like cosplay, but yeah, I think they could be imitating all those girls there. I don't know. But I do want to go and check out a cosplay restaurant. Yeah, I'll come back another night and film on the other side. Like, actually, I'll be on that side. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and organise a boat trip because you've got to do it like 2 hours before. At this time of the night, it's very popular. We're thinking about doing it earlier in the day because we're going to go to a temple tomorrow and then somewhere else. So, yeah, very good girls, very good. Arigato. Now my wife's just pointed something out. My wife goes, have a look at all these disgusting men checking out these girls, and I go, oh, fair enough. But yeah, like they're all got their torches and very, very strange. But yeah, this is what men do. They check out girls in skimpy clothes, you know. But yeah, I don't know. It's some type of cosplay. I don't know much, but very interesting. But there are some girls here, but mostly older men. Good luck to them. Yes. All right, I'm going to go and have tea with the wife. I'm tongue-tied.